Alpha. So we have a beautiful Saturday today. As you can tell, it's nice and overcast, so the sun's not going to be boiling hot. So I'm going to take the opportunity to get outside and try and rebed our chain plates for like the 4th time now. We've been using 5200 to try and bed it, but water still gets through. I don't know if we're doing it wrong or if it's just not the correct material to use to bed those. So today I've got some butyl tape and I'm gonna take the 5200 up as best I can. I'm gonna scrape it. I don't have any 5200 softener, so we'll see how good that works. And right now we have duct tape over that as well. So I'm gonna take the duct tape up, take the 5200 up, and then apply some butyl tape, and we'll see how well that works. God. Seems like I always do some shit like this. I need to be more careful. In case it wasn't clear from the beginning of the video, I just dropped the drill in the ocean.
I guess that's what I get for leaving the kids home alone.
Alright guys. Hopefully this works. Alright, so it went in right there. Who the f? That might be oil bubbles coming from it. Alright. Going in. The visibility's not too bad. Alright. Almost dropped the go. Alright. Alright, here we go. Sounds as a charm. I kicked the boat with my foot and up, but it's bleeding. Yeah, it is right here. A little bit. Well, hopefully this works. I'm not going to use it until it's dry. So, we'll see. Do you guys think I should wet it with fresh water? I don't know. Damn it. My foot's bleeding. Alright, to be continued. So the foot's not too damaged. Got a little scratches.
'Tis but a scratch.
Got this side a little bit too, but it's all good. It's just surface.
Just a flesh wound.
So it looks like it might actually rain this afternoon, so I'm gonna go out and try without the drill to continue and see if I can get it done today with a, hopefully I'll be able to screw it in with a screwdriver. We'll see.
Next time I had a day off, we decided to try again.
We're using this.
Practicing for D-Day?
Yeah.
Are you bombing?
Yeah, we're using this debonding agent on this 5200, and it's strong as shit, man.
Oh, 5200 glue or epoxy?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we're getting it off. It's like a debonding agent,
Oh, wow, cool.
and it's super strong.
Safe. It's terrible for your lungs.
Yeah.
I thought you guys were tripping. I'm like, is that how they smoke weed? Hey, at least you're doing it right though.
Yeah, exactly.
And hey, I gotta tell you, your dogs are so awesome. Dogs, and they don't bark. I'm sure they do if they have to. Someone came and bothered you guys, but they're such like chill dogs. And he's so handsome. What a face.
Yeah.
It's like a person almost.
Yeah, he's my boy.
No, he's just fun. Excuse my language. I love
Oh,
him.
good.
Awesome.
Yeah, they're super
Your mom
sweet.
and dad. You're good too, little guy. I'm not leaving you out.
You just never know what kind of characters you might come across in the marina.
Abby got wood stuck in her nail. You want these?
Yes, or whichever.
She's gonna use some tweezers to get it out.
At this point, we're convinced that the first time we ever removed our chain plates, we unleashed some kind of curse that has made it impossible to rebed them ever since.
Just do it. Just pull it.
I don't want it to break off in there.
This is our third and most catastrophic attempt yet.
How did this happen? Ooh! That looked like it hurt.
Ugh. I think we'll table this project for another day. If you made it this far, hopefully you enjoyed the video. We're gonna need all the help we can get on this adventure, including yours. If you want to help support us on this adventure and help us keep making videos like these, check out our Patreon. The link's in the description. And if you want to follow along with us, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.